Once upon a time in a colorful little town, there lived a sock named Sunny. Sunny was no ordinary sock, he was a sock detective, always on the lookout for mysteries to solve. One sunny morning, as the town woke up, they realized something peculiar. Socks were disappearing. People were left with mismatched pairs, and the town grew worried. Sunny, with his bright yellow threads and a twinkle in his eye, knew he had to get to the bottom of this mystery. He enlisted the help of his mischievous friend, Stripey, a red and white striped sock known for his playful pranks. Together, they formed an unstoppable team. Their first stop was the local laundry room, where they questioned the socks about the disappearances. The socks murmured and whispered, blaming each other, but nobody knew where the missing socks had gone. Sunny and Stripey scoured every nook and cranny, searching for any clue that could lead them to the culprit. After hours of investigating, the sock detectives stumbled upon a hidden path that led to Granny Knitterly's magical knitting shop. The shop was filled with colorful yarn and knitting needles, and the air was filled with the scent of sweet lavender. As they approached Granny Knitterly, her wise eyes twinkled with secret knowledge.
"Ah,
my dear detectives," she said, "I've been expecting you. It seems the socks are being taken by the sock-munching monster. But fear not, for I have a plan." Granny Knitterly revealed her magical knitting needles and began to weave a spell. With each stitch, the socks transformed into tiny superheroes, ready to face the sock-munching monster. Sunny became Super Sock, with the power to shine bright and protect his fellow socks. Stripey became Speedy Sock, with lightning-fast movements to outsmart any foe. As Super Sock and Speedy Sock approached the dark cave where the sock-munching monster lurked, they felt a mix of excitement and fear. But together, they bravely ventured into the unknown, determined to save their sock friends. In the depths of the cave, they discovered the sock-munching monster, a gigantic creature with a big appetite for socks. But with their newfound powers, Super Sock and Speedy Sock battled the monster, using teamwork and bravery to save the day. With a final burst of light, the monster was defeated, and all the missing socks were rescued. The town rejoiced, and Sunny and Stripey became heroes. They returned to Granny Knitterly's shop, where their magical powers faded, and they transformed back into ordinary socks. Granny Knitterly smiled at them and said, "You have shown great courage and friendship, my dear socks. Remember, even the smallest of socks can make a big difference." Back in their cozy drawer, Sunny and Stripey cuddled up together, feeling proud of their adventure. They knew that as long as they were together, they could face any mystery that came their way. With a yawn and a smile, they drifted off to sleep, dreaming of their next exciting investigation. And so, dear little one, as you curl up under your blankets, know that you are just as brave and capable as Sunny and Stripey. With imagination and a sense of adventure, you too can solve any mystery or face any challenge that comes your way. Sleep tight, and may your dreams be filled with exciting adventures of your own.